p.m. in the afternoon, so I'm about to go for my run as usual. It is, raining a little bit, so I'm not gonna do a run with speed, but we're trying to get in about 12 to 15k because the weather isn't so nice, so I won't be able to stay out for too long, just because yesterday I was very low in energy and mood, so we're just trying to get the distance in.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free.
Oh my god. Right, okay. That wasn't nice at all, but I've done it, and I've got nothing else to say. I'm glad that I'm back, done 12k. Definitely not a fan of doing that again tomorrow, but the run is not going to be done by itself. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to just quickly grab my wallet and go down to the shop, get some fixing bandage for my legs, get them fixed tonight, and then tomorrow I can go down for that run again. I'll see you tomorrow.